I'm Juliet Galatly, founder and director of Viva, and I'm here on a typical red tractor assured British pig farm to show you the reality of what life is really like for these animals. In the UK, around 10 million pigs are killed for food every year. 98% are kept indoors and about 2/3 are in factory farms just like this one. These cages are called farrowing crates, and these mothers are put in these about a week before they're due to give birth. In these cages or crates, as you can see, the mums can barely turn around. This whole place is Red Tractor approved. It's been Red Tractor approved for years. Red Tractor is the biggest assurance scheme for farms that we have in the UK. It's meant to mean that animals like these pigs, their welfare is protected. It's supposed to be meaning higher welfare than the average, when in fact what it does is endorse bog standard factory farming or intensive farming just like this. Because of the way these animals are farmed, more than 1 in 10 of the babies die, and as we can see, this little sad sight, truly pathetic, is just another statistic. These are literally piglets' tails, littering the floor. Factory farming has actually created the problem of the pigs biting each other's tails. It's not done actually out of aggression. What it's done out of is boredom and frustration, because they're fed the same feed day in, day out, because they're on concrete their whole lives, because they never get to go out in the daylight. They never feel the sun, the rain, the wind. They're locked up their entire lives. And so the government says it's illegal to routinely chop their tails off. But they give them a cop-out. If you can't find any other management system that stops it, we'll let you do it. So all the factory farms, or practically all of them, routinely chop the animals' tails off without anaesthetic or painkiller. Look at the state of these piglets. They're absolutely filthy. There's obviously some leak from the roof, making it this muddy. They're covered. In fact, if you look at the roof, you can see the state of these filth, cobwebs and holes in the roof. Quite a dilapidated building, but the serious side of that is these pigs can't actually escape from the dirt. Animals in dirt like this, disease spreads rapidly, and in fact, one of the reasons that they managed to get them to 5 to 6 months is a lot of medication. More antibiotics are given to pigs than any other farmed animal by a long way. Here, they've actually got nothing. They've got this token, pathetic gesture of this rusty old chain with this plastic thing on the end. That is their environmental enrichment. That is supposed to mean that it's okay legally, and Red Tractor can say, yep, high welfare standards folks, stamp on the meat with their Union Jack and their little cute tractor and say, yep, all's fine. These animals were treated well. What we eat is in our own hands. Every time we walk in a shop, we have the power of our own purse, the power of our own wallet. And there are a lot of issues that we're all concerned about where we don't have so much power. But with diet, we can control it. We don't have to buy meat. We don't have to buy any animal products. Yeah. It's time to change.